It's a language that has spread out all over the state.
As the state celebrates various festivals this winter, the demand for female bouncers is on the rise. Breaking into a male-dominated profession, women like Jessica Sones and Lari Malki are proving that they can be just as tough and effective. Sones, a 6-year veteran bouncer, credits her training from June Star Karbuli for her success. She said that having a female bouncer ensures the safety and security of female attendees at events, whereas Lari Malki, who has been a bouncer for nearly a year, emphasized the importance of sensitivity in handling situations. These female bouncers are paving the way for others to join the profession, promoting a safer and more inclusive environment for all.
First, when I saw the bouncers everywhere, when I go to some events and all, then by myself only, I wanted to become. I saw that their job, they are doing great, and their job is so respectable, and so I said, why don't I join them? So I went and joined. Wala, jangan mentasih senang Kajisno kajonga kalong ba kabangin ay siam lang ya barok haki bat kantay bat chandang ma namakad kalong kumka safety naman taki bat ba